New home decor trends for 2025. Get ready to elevate your home style with the latest home decor trends. In this video, we will show you the hottest 2025 home decor trends that you need to know. Whether you're looking to revamp your living room, bedroom, or kitchen, we've got you covered with the latest design inspiration. Here are new home decor trends 2025 that will help transform your space into something truly current and inviting. 1. Earthy tones and natural materials are dominating interiors. In 2025, interior color palettes are deeply rooted in nature. Think terracotta, clay, muted greens, and soft browns. These earthy hues bring warmth and calmness, helping create a grounding atmosphere in your home. Complementing this trend, designers are leaning heavily into natural materials like stone, wood, linen, and clay. Trembesi wood and reclaimed timber furniture are gaining popularity, not just for their sustainability, but also for their one-of-a-kind grain and rich textures. These elements work together to blur the lines between indoor and outdoor living, a theme that continues to grow in appeal. 2. Curves. Furniture are making a strong comeback. Sharp lines and boxy furniture are being softened with curves. From arched doorways and round mirrors to circular coffee tables and curvaceous couches, organic shapes are everywhere in 2025. This design shift adds a playful, artistic energy to rooms and makes spaces feel more fluid and relaxing. Curved elements also pair well with minimalist designs, adding a touch of softness without cluttering the aesthetic. 3. Statement lighting becomes the focal point. Lighting is no longer just functional, it's a statement piece. Oversized pendant lights, sculptural chandeliers, and artistic floor lamps are being used to define and elevate the mood of a room. In 2025, expect to see fixtures made from mixed materials like brushed brass and frosted glass or woven rattan and polished stone. Whether it's a dramatic dining room centerpiece or a unique bedside sconce, statement lighting is a simple way to modernize a space instantly. 4. Multifunctional furniture is a must-have. With more people working remotely and living in hybrid environments, furniture is expected to serve multiple purposes. Sofas with built-in storage, extendable dining tables, and ottomans that double as coffee tables are becoming essentials. Design in 2025 is focused on smart space usage without sacrificing style. This trend supports the rise of compact living and minimalist decor, offering flexibility for changing needs. 5. Texture layers are key to cozy minimalism. Minimalism is still a major influence, but it's getting a cozy upgrade. Instead of cold, stark environments, 2025 is embracing warm minimalism, clean lines balanced with inviting textures. Think buccal upholstery, textured walls, natural fiber rugs, and layered textiles. These tactile elements add dimension and comfort, making minimalist interiors feel lived in and welcoming rather than sterile. 6. Personalized interior spaces. Replace cookie-cutter designs. Personal expression is now central to interior design. Homeowners are moving away from showroom-perfect looks and embracing unique, meaningful decor choices. This could mean displaying heirlooms, mixing vintage finds with modern pieces, or incorporating handmade crafts into a room's design. In 2025, authenticity trumps trends. It's about creating a home that reflects your lifestyle, values, and history. 7. Tech-integrated design is getting smarter and sleeker. Smart home technology has evolved to blend more seamlessly into decor. From invisible wireless chargers built into tables to AI-powered lighting and climate control, tech features in 2025 are discreet yet powerful. Designers are integrating these elements subtly, hiding cords, using voice-activated systems and designing around smart hubs. The goal is to make life easier without compromising visual appeal. 8. Bold colors and pattern play are making a comeback. While earthy neutrals are still dominant, bold accent colors and patterns are re-emerging as a way to inject personality into interiors. Deep blues, marigold yellow, and forest green are especially popular, often used on accent walls, furniture, or cabinetry. Designers are also mixing patterns, like florals with geometric prints, in controlled, thoughtful ways to create dynamic and engaging spaces. 9. Biophilic design deepens its roots. Biophilic design, the idea of connecting humans with nature through design, is no longer a niche concept. In 2025, it's a foundational principle. This means more indoor plants, living walls, natural light, and design elements inspired by landscapes. Skylights, floor-to-ceiling windows, and garden-facing rooms are becoming highly desirable features, enhancing wellness and reducing stress. 10. Artisanal and handmade pieces take center stage. Mass-produced decor is giving way to handcrafted, one-of-a-kind items. Ceramics, woven baskets, hand-blown glass, and custom furniture pieces are all sought-after elements that give a room soul. Supporting local artisans and small batch makers is also becoming part of a broader movement toward ethical consumerism, giving design choices a deeper significance. In 2025, home decor is all about balance, blending comfort with sophistication, tradition with innovation, and calm with character. Whether you're leaning into soft minimalism or experimenting with vibrant statement pieces, the common thread is authenticity. By incorporating these trends, you're not just updating your home, you're transforming it into a space that truly supports and expresses the way you live.